In our previous video, we have heard about what loneliness is and how we are assured of God's presence with us. In this video, we shall hear about how to overcome loneliness. The world today is offering many ways to escape from this feeling called loneliness, from yoga to chatbots. But is it really helping? I doubt. Right from the moment we wake up in the morning, we are encompassed with many people. We do a lot of talking, we party hard, we spend hours together. But at the end of the day, suddenly the me inside everyone comes out. The real me. The me which is really not connected with anybody, but is connected with something else. Something else which is not giving us company, which is not giving us happiness, which is not filling us, which is leaving us empty-hearted. But why are we still connected with it? On a busy office day, there was a woman standing on the edge of her life to push herself off from this world. After a few days, she was seen giving interview on a TV show. She was speaking her life out. She was the most successful woman in this competitive business world of today. Her company got listed in the Fortune 500. She got everything she desired for: wealth, good-looking husband, lifestyle, company of her dreams, everything. She worked very hard every weekday. On weekends, she used to spend almost all of her time with the family. But alas, she was left alone. She's feeling empty. There was something really important that was missing from her life. She started to run after it. She thought maybe if I get even small money, she'll be happy. But no, she tried almost everything, but in all of it, she couldn't connect. She felt lonely. She was left alone. She could not overcome this feeling called loneliness. And that is when she decided to end her life. When she was about to jump off, a huge billboard caught her attention. It says, "Have you tried Jesus?" At that very moment, she thought, why not give him a try? God listened to her cry. And so she was on that TV show testifying how she could overcome loneliness. She said, "I ran after people. I ran after my company. I ran after earning money. I ran after earning fame to build an empire for myself. All I could get in return is loneliness. Because my sole focus and interest is on the materials of this world." I heard my preacher say, in every human, there is a God-shaped hole which can only be filled by Him. I am not after God. I am after materials of this world. And so, I'm alone all the while. But when I got connected to God, it doesn't matter if no one was there with me or for me. My God will be there. Very true. Many a times, we run after the riches of this world. We run after fame. We run after success. We run after people. Despite we having money, despite we having success, fame, we feel alone. Because money, fame, people, and all the riches of this world cannot give you company in your low times. Loneliness is not respect of who you are or what you have on this earth. We need to shift our hearts from running after the materials of this world to running after God by connecting to Him. Try Jesus today. God bless you.